Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. First of all, just need to open your internet browser and you just need to search for business.facebook.com. And then you will now go to Meta Business Suite homepage. You can see on your screen, and you can use the drop down menu at the top left to select your page, as you can see. And then you just need to click on all tools right here in the side menu, which has the three lines. And then from here, under manage, you want to go to your settings. So click the settings, and then you will now go to the next page, as you can see on your screen. So basically, if you're going to business assets, you'll find all the page that connected with your Meta Business Suite. So if you want to remove, just select that Facebook page. For example, right here. So we just need to click on this Facebook page, and then an option shows up here. The next step is clicking on the three dots right there at the top right, and then click on remove from business account. Once you click on this one, as you can see, if you remove the page, it will no longer be part of the business account. So yeah, that's how you basically remove this Facebook page on Meta Business Suite. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.